This video will focus on how to set up a patient's remedē device for an MRI scan. Prior to preparing the patient's device for an MRI scan, please ensure that you have reviewed the MRI scan patient checklist and have confirmed that the device is MRI eligible. For more information, please refer to the MRI checklist video. This video provides an overview of the steps outlined in the MedEd3525 document titled MRI Programming Checklist for Model 1001. The following 7 steps outline how to prepare the remedē device Model 1001 for an MRI scan. Step 1 is to interrogate the device. Review any messages and select OK. Step 2 is to verify lead information under the patient info icon located under the Tools tab. Confirm whether the patient has a right or left stimulation lead and whether there are any abandoned leads or non-viable leads. If the patient has a non-viable lead entered, do not proceed with the MRI. For more information, contact your local Zoll Respicardia representative. Step 3 is to confirm battery status located under the Summary tab. If a battery status is EOL with a voltage of less than or equal to 2.5 volts, do not proceed as device is at end of life and impedances cannot be measured. Step 4 is to evaluate all unipolar pair impedances. Select the impedance icon and test each unipolar electrode. For a left lead, check electrodes 1 through 4. For a right lead, check electrodes 1 through 6 by selecting the can as the anode. Report any impedances above the max threshold or below the min threshold. Do not proceed with MRI if out of range, and please contact a Zoll Respicardia representative. This is a simulated patient and therefore will read out of range impedance. Step 5 is to interrogate the device and confirm device is in desired mode. Step 6 is to create a PDF of current device settings. Select the print icon located in the top left of the programmer screen. Name the file so that it is easily identifiable based on the patient identifier and visit type. An example of the file name might be the following: a unique patient identifier, pre-MRI, and today's date. Step 7. Remove the wand, close out of the Respicardia software, and power down the programmer. Please inform the patient that therapy will resume the night of an MRI. For more information on the remedē device MRI conditional labeling, please refer to the Zoll Respicardia marketing document MKT3150 MRI FAQ document. This video reviewed how to set up a remedē device Model 1001 for an MRI scan.